Is your current business banking solution actually setting you up for profit in 2026? When I first transitioned my business banking to Relay, it was all about the free, multiple checking accounts for easier profit-first budgeting. It was a game changer. But, like any great fintech platform, Relay is constantly evolving. As we head into 2026, I want to walk you through my experience with what's new and what's improved, focusing on how these changes directly impact your day-to-day cash flow and financial management. Globe showing America's international wires, the NIAM transition. One of the most notable changes for 2026 is the shift in their international wire provider. For outgoing wires, Relay has transitioned to NIAM. The change: previously, international wires were handled by Currency Cloud. Now, outgoing international wires are powered by NIAM. This happened in late 2025, but the full transition finalizes in early 2026. What I noticed: the process for setting up an outgoing international wire is still initiated via the platform, requiring you to click Enable in the payment flow. The goal is to provide a more flexible and reliable experience. If you're like me and deal with international contractors or vendors, this new partnership is something to monitor for smooth transactions. Incoming international wires are still supported by Currency Cloud for a short transition period but will move to NIAM soon after. I'm hoping the consolidated NIAM experience becomes seamless for both sending and receiving. Chart increasing evolving subscription plans and rates. Relay has refined their subscription tiers, Starter, Grow, and Scale, to better bundle their banking and software tools based on business growth. My experience with fees: depending on your plan, you'll see changes in rates and rewards. I've noticed that if you move to a higher tier plan, like Grow or Scale, you get better APY on savings and higher cashback percentages on their Visa credit card. For instance, the Scale plan boasts a higher APY and a greater cash back rate than the Starter plan, plus lower fees on premium payments like same-day ACH and international wires. Same-day ACH and wire fees: for businesses that rely on speed, this is critical. The Scale plan, for example, gives you 10 free same-day ACH transfers monthly, then a much lower fee afterward compared to the other tiers. If your business volume is high, moving up a plan could save you significantly on transaction fees. Hammer and wrench software and expense management upgrades. Relay is moving beyond just banking into a full money management platform with integrated software tools. Advanced Bill Pay. The platform now offers advanced features like setting up approval rules for bills paid by team members and customizable bookkeeping automations. I found that importing bills directly from QuickBooks Online or Xero is much smoother now. This is a massive time saver for keeping my books accurate and preventing rogue spending. Enhanced expense tracking. The card management system is more powerful. You can assign a card with built-in spend policies to every employee. The platform's ability to help automate receipt collection and categorize transactions accurately is a huge benefit for end-of-month bookkeeping. Coming soon, Relay's roadmap includes things like a Bill Insights/dashboard and automated payment release. I'm particularly looking forward to bulk payment options for payroll and vendor payouts. In short, 2026 for Relay is about sophistication and scale. The platform is clearly deepening its feature set to support not just the solopreneur, but growing small and medium-sized businesses that need tighter controls and more robust expense management tools. With that said, thanks for watching, and